Alright guys, so as you know, we're here in Mexico, so we got the parts for my Titan XD. The reason why I keep saying that is because this is what we have. If you're a diesel owner, you know what that is. This is the straight pipe, this is the tuner, this is the truck. In all seriousness, it's an off-road vehicle only, so this is never driven on the streets of California, just so you guys are aware of that. And anybody watching this video, it's only an off-road use vehicle, so we are going to delete and tune my Titan XD. Hopefully it's not too hard and we can get this thing on the road. So we got the Ezlynk tuner and we got the AFE straight pipe exhaust. We're gonna open it up and see what it's gonna look like to install. All right, so first things first, let's actually get into this box and find out what's all inside. Ezlynk tuner 2.0 auto agent. Forgot about this. This is actually the straight pipe for the exhaust. If you guys don't remember, I have the AFE 5-inch exhaust all the way through. That was a direct bolt-on, super easy. I have a video for that. The video will be linked up above if you guys want to watch the install of the exhaust. From what I was told from AFE, this straight pipe will mount directly to my current exhaust that they already provided us in the past. We need an unlock cable, so we'll get the unlock cable and then we'll get back to this video. I told you guys we were missing a cable. It's the unlock cable. So the unlock cable did not come with my kit. If you're gonna be ordering a tune and delete kit, make sure that your kit comes with it. I gotta give a shout out to my boy Bryant over at Metro Nissan in Ontario, because he had his on hand. Actually took it off his truck and gave it to me. So Bryant, thank you brother, I appreciate it. But we got the release cable, so now we can do everything we need to do. We're gonna run in there, start taking the sensors off, unbolt this thing, drop the nuclear bomb that's down there, because the thing is huge. From what I'm told, it weighs like 100 to 200 pounds. So I'm gonna get rid of some weight, tune the truck, have some fun. You know what sucks down here?
What?
The lighting. I can't even see, bro.
Oh,
so I'm not gonna really
put some lights down here.
Yeah, so we'll get some lights, but here's the nuclear bomb I've been talking about. It looks like a nuke. It's huge, it's big, and it's gonna go away.
So this is your DPF injection right here.
Got it.
That's where the fluid comes in and goes into that chamber. Thermocouples, so it knows the temperature inside. That's your cap.
Okay, so all that's going away.
All this, I think. I don't know where this is. I have no clue.
I think it ends right
there.
Here.
I think it goes from there to there.
So right in front of me. So from here all the way back over there. So we got to get under that cross member.
Oh, you took some bolts out already.
I took some bolts off, bro. I told you I started.
All right.
But I needed some light. That's my excuse. So let's get some light down here. That's tight. Is that my underglow?
No, it's a shop light.
It's some of these shop lights. So we're gonna run one of those down there. Also, we do have a vlog coming up on this guy here, so if you don't want to know anything about my truck, we do have some cool stuff coming. We're going to be doing a full wrap on this. This isn't the traditional Rocket Bunny kit that all of you guys are used to. This is the
Rally Backer.
Rally Backer. I keep forgetting. V2 Rally Backer kit. I think it's dope. The interesting part about this kit is there's a lot of pieces. I heard it's like somewhere in the neighborhood of 10 to 14 different pieces for this kit, so it's going to take a long time to wrap. But it's gonna be fun, so we do have a vlog coming up on that if you guys are interested in more wrap stuff. So stay tuned for that. Let there be light! Now we'll be able to give you guys a little bit better visual on what's going on down here. All thanks to this light right here. Thanks, Christian, appreciate you.
That's Jack.
Thanks, Jack.
No, it's a combo.
It's everybody. So if you guys don't know Jack, a lot of you guys already do. Jack's the man. Jack can do anything. He's a jack of all trades.
I master a few.
Well, explain to me, dude. What do we need to take off?
So we have a few sensors, and I looked up here. You can't see it, but this wiring harness actually goes on the other side of this frame, but it's bolted to your cat converter. So I'm thinking we take this apart in two pieces.
Okay.
We do the back section first and get that bracket off, and then get those disconnected, and then kind of it'll lower this down a little bit, and then we can get to everything up there.
Gotcha.
If you actually if you can look here, can you get that?
Yep.
See that little pin? Usually it's like this, so what I did was pushed it down, squeezed on these ends, and just whoop.
So basically what Jack's trying to tell you guys, if you don't have channel locks and you're reading that on the forums, you don't need to do that. It was able to be done by hand. So right now we've got 3 of the connectors off, and at some point we'll kind of give you an estimated count just so you can kind of follow along with how many connectors you're going to need to remove yourself. I'll tell you guys, we've never done this before. We're going to learn how to do it and hopefully be able to teach you guys something if you're looking to do it. One thing I noticed is when we were talking about deleting my truck, there was no tutorials online that were really visual as far as video and stuff, so hopefully this will be the one that'll teach you guys to do so. And I'll also say this, if you haven't drove a deleted Titan XD, after you do it, well, I'll say if you do it, you're gonna want to do it immediately. You're gonna want to delete immediately. And that's what happened to me. I drove my buddy's truck that was deleted and I couldn't get back in my normal, so I said, forget everything that I've heard bad about it as far as legalities, and I don't care. I had to do it. You're good.
Did I just hit the camera?
The edge of the lens protector, you're fine.
The Nissan. Woo! O2 sensor number 1.
Hold this.
Okay. Holy shit. He said, hold this. All right, so you've seen how long it took us to get the first part of it down, the DPF side of it. We had to actually drop the rear of the exhaust, actually the whole exhaust, because it was seized up. I think initially when we put the AFE exhaust on about a year ago, we over tightened it, so it really married to the DPF system. So it's now out. The nuclear bomb is almost out. We still got the, I believe it's the cat that needs to come down. So Jack's working on that now, but from there we should have everything off that we need, and then we can move over to okay. Got the hangers here. What else do we have? Holy crap, that looks so nice.
No more bomb.
No more bombs. My truck just lost weight.
Goes the other way.
Alright, so now we're plugging in the OBD, right?
Yeah, we didn't lay out all the wiring the correct way. We're just trying to get it programmed.
Yep.
So we kind of went through the door.
We're gonna focus on that first. Now, you know, can you hold the camera? Because I think that this is what it says to do. Make sure that the engine diagnostic cable is connected to the auto agent OBD2 port. Now make sure Wi-Fi is turned on and connected to your Ezlynk. All right, so now we're gonna
settings.
We're now connected. Oh, no internet connection.
Yeah, of course you're not gonna have internet.
Why?
Because it's not an internet device.
So it's just gonna stay like that. That's all I need.
Yeah.
Do I need to click them?
Which one do we need?
There's a 60 horsepower. Ignition in off position. It's now off, right?
Yep.
Or should I go all the way off?
You're all the way off.
Okay, continue. On or run position without cranking.
One more.
I can't wait to see that. Never see the
there you go.
diesel exhaust fluid needed, because it needs it right now. And I was like, I'm not gonna put it in. I want to drain that thing and drop that tank. As far as like how the app goes, I think that's where I was probably most concerned. I'm like, how is this gonna work? So far, it's been self-explanatory. If you know how to work an iPhone, you can work this thus far. I mean, I can't speak fully because it's not completed, but so far, truck was linked. My VIN number came up. I mean, it did its job. It's installing a tune now, and we're 5% in, so
Still?
we'll wait. So I'm assuming that you shouldn't be concerned about this happening, because obviously before we started this process, everything was fine, and now it's just going crazy. But this is during the tuning process, so I think that's normal. If it's not, we'll update you guys, but that's what it's looking like right now, so don't be alarmed.
If not, our Nissan tech will fix it.
Yeah, we'll have to call a Nissan guy. meatball in my teeth?
Can't tell. You see? Very good.
Meatball sandwich. Here we go. The first start. Oh, no.
Huh?
Woo! That sounds tight, bro. Oh, shit. Yay.
It's dark in here, but.
Sounds like a jet. Oh my God, dude, that sounds so good. You gonna rev it? What do you think, Subi God? You like it? All right, so by far the hardest part was just getting that exhaust off. Once we got the exhaust off and we got the Ezlynk connected, which took like 5 minutes, everything else was super easy. The app is self-explanatory. Oh my God. It sounds better. Do it again, do it again. I hate to say it, but Bryant, ours sounds a little louder, bro.
That's tight.
So good.
You're gonna be wasting a lot of gas.
Yeah?
Or a lot of diesel.
You wanna go waste some right now?
I'll watch you.
You gonna film me? Well, film from the outside and then I'll come get the camera.
All right.
We'll let it rip down the street.
He's so happy. He's really happy.
It's like a kid.
It's like a kid in the candy store.
That's crazy, right? Like, I'm not just tripping, it's loud as hell, right? Ain't much better over here. Listen, guys, today was a little out of character. You know what I mean? We're out there spinning tires and blowing smoke. That's not normal for us, but we got the thing done. I'm super excited, super in love with it. Thank you to AFE for sponsoring the truck as always. Appreciate everything you guys have done so far. Ezlynk tuner with the 60 horsepower program or tune is what we have on it. There is a 120, but my man says we're not ready for that. We'll be doing some other stuff.
We'll do it next week.
We'll do the 120 and we'll review that, the 120 horsepower
Two
tune
pulls.
next week. A couple pulls, but I don't think that I'll be running that. I don't want to blow up the truck. Just want to enjoy it. So we're at the 60 horsepower tune. That puts the truck at like 370 horsepower. It's under 400, you know, but not bad. Mad torque. Truck pulls hard. But listen, guys, that's the end of this vlog. We will see you guys in the next one.